Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the really Star Wars nerdy stuff.
That's it.
Shipped to you anywhere in the galaxy. Right from here.
That's a big claim. I think we're going to get someone from another planet phone in now. Hey guys, right. You said on that recent YouTube video, this is a really exciting Star Wars unboxing because anytime we've kind of done anything Star Wars in the past, I think there's been at least one comment from someone saying, "Oh, but can you get these ones in?" And this is they.
This is them.
So
and
very
this
exciting.
Ticks so many nerd boxes. It's
really
unbelievable.
does.
Which one do you want to start with?
Let's go this one. Speaking of boxes,
it's good to know they reuse packaging,
yeah.
isn't it?
So this isn't even a this is
not
the kind
a
of thing.
Star Wars box.
Yeah, this is the kind of thing you might expect from I feel like almost a second-hand market kind of a thing. But yeah, this is direct from.
They're just very good industrial boxes.
Yes.
To send things out. I'm already nerding out. So I don't even know how to open the thing. Oh.
We'll find a way. That's part of the spirit of the unboxing.
Yeah, there we go. Now the 10-ounce ones come in a case.
Oh, I love a good 10-ounce in a capsule.
Yeah.
It doesn't happen very often, but when it does, they show up a real treat.
Very cool. So this is a Beskar bar. Have we actually said that?
No,
yet?
we haven't.
So these are, what's a Beskar bar, mate?
Beskar is a material from the Star Wars universe that is prized for its armor and its ability to deflect a blaster bolt or even a lightsaber.
There you go. Despite the best packaging, it cracked the capsule.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. That's all right. We'll find a replacement capsule for it.
Yeah. So yeah, and it's a bit intriguing because it kind of has a few similarities with silver. We were kind of briefly talking about it before, where it's kind of, because of its uses in that universe, it kind of almost doubles as a currency.
That's right.
And people use it as a transfer of wealth and a storage of wealth kind of thing. And so if you haven't seen the Mandalorian, potential spoilers ahead, but that's how he kind of values how he's going as a bounty hunter, is how much armor he's able to afford made out of this material.
It is.
So yeah, some similarities with silver there, maybe not for armor, but even just for the use cases it has.
Are you suggesting people don't use it to create their armor?
Well, look, yeah, with its unique electrical properties and things like that. So it's a kind of an interesting comparison, I think.
It is. It's also interesting that it's a bar.
Yes, but
it's actually a coin.
A Beskar bar coin.
So, very cool.
And just looking at that antiqued finish with the wavy lines on there, it looks so cool.
I think they've done a great job with it.
Yep, and officially licensed and all that down the bottom.
And I should go to the other side because everyone's going to be focusing on the cracked capsule there, but even just the lines that they've put in, like the continuation of the wavy lines onto the rim of the coin, I think it's brilliant.
Fantastic.
Oh, look, it's even got the bottom of the wave coming through and then back into the bar. That's brilliant, the way they've done that.
And the Imperial logo stamp right there in the bottom right of it as well, looking very cool in the antique as well.
All right, so other than this one had a cracked capsule, let's try it in the correct English. Fantastic. We'll actually go through the others, make sure that there's no more cracked in there. What have we got in this one, Rubes?
More of the same, but a different size.
I hope you're correct. Otherwise, you'll see a break in the...
Ooh, different kind of boxes.
Yeah, actually, we're going to bring out both boxes.
Ooh.
Yes.
Ooh.
Another one in my Star Wars box collection.
Yeah, love it. In tubes, according to the top of that there. If you cut that away, thank you, from the logo, we can... Nice in on there. Vintage of 50,000 on the 1 ounces, and I believe it's 3,000 on the 10 ounces. So definitely a lot less of them.
Yeah.
And we obviously then got a much more limited number of them as well. But
they're also dated. So if you've already got Beskar bars, you may find that you've got 2022s.
Yeah. So these ones,
2023s.
Yeah, 2023s.
They are. Look at the
same on the 1 ounce.
I am so geeking out over these things.
Very cool. It's very wide rectangular tube. I think we're kind of very used to seeing the Perth Mint ones with their dragons and their kangaroo rectangular bars, but
Speaking of which, Dragon release next month.
Ooh, exciting.
All right, now I need a Galoob.
You do.
Oh, look at these.
I'm getting the camera in there.
Love the 10 ounce. I reckon the 1 ounce is my favourite. Don't know, let's go side by side first. Oh, it's a shiny finish as opposed to the matte finish.
As opposed to the antiques, yeah.
Yeah, the antique, sorry, you're correct. Oh, look at that.
That's awesome.
Oh, man. All my Star Wars geekiness going off in one shiny little bar.
Very cool. Sadly, no capsules with these ones, and I don't think, because of that, like even just comparing the tube size, I don't think they will fit the kind of generic rectangular ones we like to keep in stock.
They absolutely will not. So for a side-by-side comparison, I love them.
Yeah.
Side-by-side, I think they look fantastic. You've got to get one of each.
Oh, yeah.
Just to have on the display cabinet.
We will see how they go, because I reckon they are going to go quickly.
Unfortunately, we only, quote-unquote, only could get hold of, I think it's 50, which is still quite a number when you consider there's only 3,000 produced of the 10 ounce.
Yep.
And I can't remember how many we got in of the 1 ounce, but I know it wasn't as many as I wanted.
1,000, I think.
It's 1,000, is it? I wasn't going to say it just in case I was wrong, but yeah.
The kind of logical question that people are going to ask is, what are our chances of getting more if/when they sell out?
Oh, well, they will sell out. I'll put that one in writing if you really want. The chance of getting more, pretty slim. It was hard work getting these. And I was only persistent enough because I'm a bit of a Star Wars geek.
A bit. I'm hoping though that since they have kind of been doing them as a year-to-year thing, that absolutely worst case scenario, hopefully we'll get some of the 2024 ones if they decide to do.
We will get 2024s.
Yep.
Assuming they make them. Look, I wouldn't. If these are in your budget, I'd get them now. I wouldn't wait to see if we get in a second. I'm not saying we won't. Yep. I'm just saying it's unlikely we're going to get in a second batch. I'll be very surprised.
Yeah.
But they are in stock right now. There will be a link down below. Grab them while you can. And once they're gone, I'm really sorry.
Yeah. So a few people have been saying we need, and we do, we are in agreement, we need to get some of the kind of, staple items or whatever back through. We're excited to see hopefully some of the Britannias and things like that start to flow back through. But we come on, we've been also been asked to be trying to get these in for a while, and we are super stoked to actually have them here.
We do. Having to reopen?
Yeah, just to get a last little look in there before we go.
He's upside down.
Very cool. So yeah, hopefully they go well. Hopefully everyone's happy with us for finally getting them through. And
I'm happy.
Yeah, we're happy. We will see you in the next unboxing.
See ya.